Annapolis is full of visitors for all the festivities that happened this week. Commissioning week for the U.S. Naval Academy being one that locals either love or hate. Personally, I love the whole excitement for the young people going off to start their lives. I could totally do without all the crashes and traffic snarls, however. It's Friday, May 23rd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. So let's see what's going on this week in the real estate market. More sellers are coming to the market, though we are still deeply devoid of anything close to normal prior to COVID. More contracts this report. The trend for home selling at list price continues, and in just 10 days. So sellers are feeling groovy. Breaking it down for my fellow analyticals, it looks like this. Inventory rose 10% this report to 217 homes for sale in Annapolis. Another 27 properties are coming soon, 44% lower than last week. 35 homes went under contract and falling to a median 10 days before going to contract. 32 homes sold for 100% list to sold ratio in 6 days with a median sales price of $684,250. There are 29 homes for lease at $3,100 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 23rd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll be taking some time off this weekend. Enjoy your holiday weekend and take a moment to remember those who paid the ultimate sacrifice this Memorial Day. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.